In 2025, wasting water will not be an option. So if you're a farmer or a gardener and you're still not using these 5 smart irrigation systems, then you are wasting your precious water resources and you are definitely not maximizing your farm yield. So watch this video till the end to know what are those 5 systems and start saving your water. Number 1 is smart irrigation. And this is the most basic and the most important system that every farmer should adopt in 2025. Smart irrigation is basically using technology to make your irrigation system more efficient. This can be done by installing smart sensors that can collect data on things like soil moisture, weather forecast, crop type, and so on. This data is then used to create an irrigation schedule that is tailored to the specific needs of the crops. This results in water savings of up to 50% and increased crop yields. No. 2 is drip irrigation. Now this is a type of irrigation that delivers water directly to the root zone of the plants. This reduces water wastage through evaporation and also helps in delivering water and nutrients to the plants in a more efficient way. Drip irrigation is a fantastic water-saving method, especially in areas where water is scarce. No. 3 is water-saving farming. Now, this is a method of agriculture that focuses on reducing water consumption at every stage of the farming process. It includes techniques like using drought-resistant crops, improving soil quality, and using efficient irrigation methods. The concept is all about making the best use of the available water resources and ensuring that the water is used for farming purposes only. No. 4 is precision agriculture. Now, this is a farming method that uses technology like GPS, remote sensing, and data analysis to optimize crop yields while minimizing the use of water and other resources. Precision agriculture allows farmers to make informed decisions about things like irrigation, fertilization, and pest control based on the specific needs of different parts of their fields. This results in significant water savings and increased farm productivity. No. 5 is agri-tech. Now, this is a broad term that refers to the use of technology in agriculture. Great tech companies are developing innovative solutions to help farmers conserve water and increase their yields. These solutions can include anything from smart sensors to drones to AI-powered irrigation systems. So, if you're a farmer or a gardener and you want to save water and increase your yields in 2025, then you need to consider adopting these 5 smart irrigation systems. By doing so, you'll not only be able to maximize your farm output, but also contribute to the conservation of this precious natural resource. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I hope you found it useful. If you want more such informative videos on agriculture and farming, please let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Have a wonderful day and happy farming.